Hi, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you every type of link in Obsidian. Let's jump right in. I'm starting on my Atomic Habits note. Let me open the Books I Read note, where we'll add all our links. First, a basic internal link. I type double bracket, and Obsidian opens a picker. I select Atomic Habits, close the brackets. That's it, this note is now linked. Now the same link but pointing to a specific section. After the note name, I add a hashtag, then the heading name, Key Ideas. This jumps directly to that section when clicked. Now I want the link to show custom text instead of the note name. I add a vertical bar, that's Alt and minus. Then I write what I want to display, my favorite book. The link still goes to Atomic Habits. Last one, an external link to a website. This uses a different format, text in square brackets, then the URL in round brackets. Now everything is clickable. I'll test each one. All working perfectly. Back to Atomic Habits. In the Notes section, I'll add a link back. I type double bracket, select Books I Read. Now both notes point to each other. I click it, and it takes me straight back to Books I Read. That's all the Obsidian links you need. Like and subscribe for more.